If you're a U.S. citizen, resident, or green card holder who owns or controls a foreign company, you may be required to file IRS Form 5471 or similar international information forms like 8865 or 8858. But here's the issue. Most taxpayers don't even know these forms exist until they receive a 10,000 plus penalty notice from the IRS. In 2025, the IRS increased its enforcement of international compliance. Using AI and global banking data, it now automatically penalizes those who fail to file, even if the company has no income, is a holding company or a startup, was created for offshore banking or crypto assets, is based in a low-tax jurisdiction like Panama, UAE, Malta, or the BVI. These forms are required even if the business is dormant, inactive, or has zero activity. The solution? Our International Forms Reporting Service. At FAS CPA and Consultants, we help you stay compliant and penalty-free with specialized preparation and submission of the following key IRS forms. Form 5471 for U.S. persons with shares or control in foreign corporations. Form 8865 for U.S. persons with shares in foreign partnerships. Form 8858 for owners of foreign disregarded entities or branches. These are not tax return forms. Their detailed disclosures require deep understanding of international ownership rules, corporate financials, and IRS reporting categories. What we do for you. Determine if you're obligated to file any of these forms based on your structure. Assign your correct IRS filer category, categories 1 to 5, for Form 5471. Prepare the financial statements of your offshore entity in U.S. format. Convert foreign currency transactions to IRS-compliant USD values. Complete all required schedules and disclosures, including Subpart F income, GILTI calculations, Section 965 transition tax, E&P, earnings and profits, tracking, FATCA compliance. Prepare late filing letters with reasonable cause if you missed a year. Represent you before the IRS in case of penalty disputes or audits, common scenarios. We handle, you opened an offshore company and never reported it. Your CPA filed your tax return but skipped. Form 5471. You've received a CP15 notice imposing 10,000 plus as fines. You hold crypto or digital assets through an entity abroad. You are unsure if your entity even qualifies as foreign, why it matters. Failing to file Form 5471, 8865, or 8858 can lead to $10,000, $50,000 penalties per year. IRS audits and passport holds. Loss of credibility with banks and lenders. Blocking tax refunds or credits. Risk of criminal exposure if willful. With over 15 years of experience in international tax and accounting, our bilingual team ensures that your structures are compliant, your disclosures are accurate, and your penalties are minimized or eliminated. We've helped entrepreneurs, crypto investors, digital nomads, and international companies fix their compliance and avoid devastating fines.